Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of JavaScript. Today we are going to learn about the local storage. So what do you mean by local storage? Local storage in JavaScript allows you to store data in the user's web browser. If I go and check this my browser F12, there is a local storage, right? Storage, okay? So here you can see that so many things are added over here like name value name value name value, right? If you let me delete all of this, delete all and delete all this one, right? So let's delete this one. Okay, so you can see that local storage, I'm deleting all, delete, just delete everything. Okay, so you can see that local storage is deleted, right? So there is no value, right? So let me tell you, to set an item in local storage, use the local storage set item. Let me add one of the local storage here, so we'll get to know where it is saved and where we can retrieve. So let me add this one local storage, and you can see that. Okay, so let's go and check the storage, and there we have the local storage, Google, and here you can see that key, name, John, and the age. Here you can see that here we have added set the item, right? So whenever you go with the storage, all the local storage values, you get it from here, right? So this is the first step. Okay, to set an item in the local storage, always use local storage dot set item method, right? Local storage set item, you can see that the same scenario I've used local storage dot set item key and the JSON dot string dot stringified object. Okay, so I have stored this one. Next, if you want to get an item from the local storage, use local storage dot get item. Okay, so if you want to get that item, you can use get item with the key name. Okay, next, if you want to remove that item, right, from the local storage, so you can use local storage dot remove item key. To clear all the items in the local storage, you can use local storage dot clear. If I just go and just copy this one, okay, here I will add local storage dot clear. So let's see storage is clear or not. You can see that no storage is there. Okay, previously it was there, right? So this method will clear all the local storage that you have regarding this website, right? Local storage only supports strings. Make sure it always supports strings. So if you want to store objects, arrays, you need to convert or use JSON.stringify to convert them into strings before setting them, and JSON.parse to convert them back to objects or arrays when getting them. So whenever you get them, JSON.parse, when you want to set that, use JSON.stringify. Okay, it is important to keep in mind that local storage is limited to around 5 to 10 MB depending on the browser, and it's not recommended to use it to store sensitive information like passwords and authentication tokens. So this is the local storage in JavaScript. In the next video we will define step by step that how to delete, how to store, how to set an item, how to get item, all everything in the coming videos. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.